subscribe, and turn on your notifications.
Hey, Sophina! How was school today?
It was great, Hip Hop Harry, but I couldn't wait to get here.
Why? What's going on?
My parents gave me a new toy this morning, and I've been waiting all day to come to Hip Hop Central and play with it.
Whoa! Let's see this new toy you're so excited about.
It's a motorboat. I've never had one before, and it looks like so much fun.
Wow! Boats are so cool. There are small boats that can go very fast. Vroom! And there are huge boats called ships that can sail across the sea.
Wow. I don't think my boat can sail across the sea. Mine is really small.
That'll take forever.
And look, Hip Hop Harry, it has a remote control that makes it move.
Whoa, awesome!
Hey, Sophina.
Hi, Davide.
Hey, that's a cool boat. You're going to need to find some water to try that thing out.
You're right. Hip Hop Harry, do we still have that small pool from last summer?
We sure do. That pool would be perfect to try out your boat. I'll go get it.
Davide, will you help me get the boat ready?
Sure. I love boats, and this one looks like a lot of fun.
All right, you guys. Now you know. Normally, we don't set this up inside, but I'm counting on you two not to make a mess. Got it?
Got it.
Good. I can't wait to see this boat up and running.
Thanks, Hip Hop Harry.
You're welcome.
Let's see what we do here. Place the boat in the water. Check. Okay, all I have to do is turn it on and watch it go.
I think we need more water in the pool.
No, Davide, I read the directions and it doesn't say anything about how much water we need.
I really think the pool needs more water.
Davide, this is my boat. I know I can make it work.
But Sophina, more water will let it...
Davide, the boat is going to sink. You're going to break it.
But Sophina, boats don't sink in water. They float in it. There's not enough water for it to float. That's why we need more water in the pool.
You don't know anything about boats. Look, some water got on the boat. You're ruining my new toy.
I'm sorry, Sophina. I had a boat like this before. I thought I could help. I didn't mean to ruin your new boat.
I'm mad at you, Davide. I asked you not to pour the water into the pool, and you did it anyway. I shouldn't have asked you to play with me. I hope you didn't break my new boat. You're the worst friend ever.
Oh. Hey, Sophina. What just happened here?
Hip Hop Harry, Davide almost ruined my new boat.
I heard the way you spoke to him. You were really hard on him. Do you know you hurt his feelings?
But he was going to mess up my brand new boat.
It's okay to feel mad about him pouring water in the pool, but the way you told Davide you were mad really hurt him. You should always pick your words carefully, because you know your words have power.
My words have power.
Yes, you always need to stop and think before you talk.
Words have power. Words have power. Stop and think before you talk. Use kind words. Use kind words to get your point across. Words have power.
Words have power. Stop and think before you talk.
Use kind words.
Use kind words
to get your point across. Words have power.
Words have power. Stop and think before you talk.
Use kind words.
Use kind words
to get your point across.
I didn't think of it that way. My words do have power. I'm going to be more careful of what I say because I don't want to hurt people's feelings.
That's really cool, Sophina. But right now, I think you owe someone an apology, big time.
You're right, Hip Hop Harry. Now just have to figure out the right thing to say to Davide.
One way to figure out the right words to say is to think about how it would make you feel if someone said the same words to you. If you do that, I'm sure you'll say the right thing.
I'm going to think of an apology right now. Thanks, Hip Hop Harry.
Anytime.
Can I talk to you?
Do you have more mean things to say to me?
I was mad that you didn't listen to me and you poured the water on my boat. I wanted to let you know I was mad, but I didn't want to hurt your feelings.
Sophina, what you said did hurt my feelings. All I was trying to do was help. You didn't have to say all those rotten things to me.
I know. I'm sorry.
You can't always just say you're sorry and make it go away. I know you didn't mean to hurt my feelings. Do you really think I'm the worst friend ever?
No, Davide, I don't. I really don't. You're a great friend. I'm going to be more careful of what I say from now on.
You should, because sometimes you can't take back stuff you say.
Davide, I really like playing with you, and you always have great ideas. I'm sorry I said things that hurt your feelings.
Okay, Sophina, thanks for saying you're sorry. That means a lot to me. And I'm sorry I poured water on your boat.
Thanks, Davide. I really like having you as a friend, and I don't want anything I say to change that.
Hey, Sophina. Hey, Davide. Is everything cool between you two?
Well, I'm still a little mad.
And I'm still a little hurt. But we're still friends forever.
All right, let's see some fancy moves with that boat.
Davide, why don't you show them the cool moves you showed me?
Are you sure?
I'm definitely sure.
Yeah.
I gotta go. Whoa.
All right, kids. What did we learn today? Sophina.
I learned that you should choose your words carefully because your words can make someone feel good or make them feel bad. I'm going to choose my words more carefully from now on.
All right, Sophina. Now that's a plan we should all stick to. And I want you all to know that you make me so proud. Do you know why?
Yeah, because I love to learn.
That's right.
I love to learn. I love to learn. I love to learn. I love to learn.
Subscribe now.